Hello there. Today I'm downsizing my canvas again to one of the smaller ones because I'm trying to do pours at the moment which use a little bit less paint. So today I've decided to do another bottle bottom pour, again with the colours that I'm enjoying using at the moment, the red, blue, orange and yellow. This time I'm popping a little bit of green with it, and my titanium white, which I've already put on the base of onto the canvas for my base paint. And I'm going to do a double bottle bottom pour with the bottoms that have the 8 grooves in them, which gives for finer looking flowers and flower petals if that is what I can create. So I've already got my little one down and I put the white paint around it. So I'm just going to add the second bottle bottom. Right, now I'll just add the colours. Well, that's looking pretty good. All I have to do now is get the paper napkin. I've got a nice Christmassy looking napkin this time. I've got a few of them to use up, so I thought I'd try one on the canvas. Unfortunately, I've lost a bit over the edge already, which I was trying to avoid doing, but that's fine. I'll glove up now and wet my napkin. I'll just show it to you before I go and wet it because it's quite pretty, with the reindeer on it, and it's quite a solid sort of a napkin, so I'm going to wet that and put it over the canvas. Okay, time for the reveal. So I'll gradually lift this up corner to corner until I can completely lift it. Oh my goodness, that is lovely. It's slightly smudgier than I expected, but that is very, very pretty. It hasn't got the flower shape that I really wanted, but it doesn't worry me because I will just call it a little alien flower from another planet. But the colours are so pretty. There's a lot more blue, darker blue in there than what I expected, and less in the way of the orange and the yellow. But of course what I'm going to do now is just give it a bit of a tilt to see if I can bring out some of those colours, and then I'll probably use my spatula to try and do some extra definition to see how I get on. But before I do anything else I will tilt. Still a few bubbles to get rid of. Some really pretty little colours, of course, coming through with those bubbles. It's almost like rainbow raindrops that have come through on it. So now I will use I think I might use my stick instead of my spatula to see whether I can sort of do a little bit more definition. I'm not even quite sure exactly where my centre is on this, and of course having the 8 divisions means that I'm trying to make some sort of petals. That looks a bit more like a flower. It's not brilliant, but it's pretty. And it's another one of my reverse dips done with the colours that I'm really enjoying using at the moment. So that will do for this one. It's certainly a pretty rainbow flower. The only thing missing, of course, is the purple, but I just had enough colours already. I decided to do a little bit more tilting after I had looked at it for a minute or two and thought, yeah, a bit bland. So I picked it up and started tilting it, completely forgetting, of course, that I hadn't put my camera on. So that's the second edition of this pour. With the flower completely removed, the colours spread out, and I'm not sure whether I like the first one better or this one. I'm leaning a little bit more towards this one. I think it's incredibly pretty. The colours just, I don't know, the colours are just working so well together, and I've been making some really, really nice artwork using these colours, and that is just, it's like a rainbow explosion instead of a strawberry explosion. It's just so pretty. So I thought I would show you that, and that's the second part of the same canvas and how it looks. So that's it for me, for my art for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.